Welcome to Deep River Farm, friends. Glad to have you with us this evening. We've been doing a little work, still doing cleanup from Hurricane Debby. We had a lot of sticks down. We burned a lot of small piles of sticks, and we continuing to burn stuff and get up all the limbs. And we got us a fire going in our fire pit. This is a location we like to have weenie roasts and marshmallows and big bonfires and things with friends and Sunday school classes. And we've been cleaning up around it today, trying to get up all the sticks and stuff and debris from the hurricane and pile up the bigger stuff and rake up the smaller stuff, and then we'll come back through here with a wheelbarrow and gather up all this line here. But we still picking up these big old sticks here and making piles, and we'll just bring the wheelbarrow over and put them in the wheelbarrow and take them up here to the fire pit and get rid of them. But it's just a continual cleanup, and we have these hurricanes roll through here. Sometimes it's even just straight line winds will come through here, especially off of the water here, and it'll barrel its way through here, and we'll lose limbs and sometimes trees and so forth, and it just makes a continual job for you. But it's better than living in town, I can tell you that. I'd much rather live out here in the country and be able to do things and be able to enjoy nature and raising chickens and quail and growing gardens and so forth, and maybe raising some goats and cows. You never know. But we've took up the hog lot because of the water there, and didn't want that getting into the water, and so we took down all the hog lots and had to stop raising the old hogs. And my grandpa, he raised them for years and years and years up here on the side of the hill, and used to make sausage and stuff out of the hogs and have shoulders, and sold it by the pound and however people wanted it. But he's passed on, and we continuing to try to utilize the farm as best we can. And we're raising chickens and quail right now. And we've got our T-post in. Got that set. We're ready to about pull wire on it, on a small part of it. And we still got to get our fence panels put together and get two repaired. But we had so many sticks and things down, and had to get that old big tree over there where they fell out and the top broke out of it during the hurricane. We had to get that wood sawed up today, and so forth. It's just been so hot, or it's been raining a little bit. But we went on that 8.5 week drought, and then we got 16 inches of rain in 11 days, and then about 2 weeks later we got Hurricane Debby. And so we're still trying to clean up from that. Even though it's been a good month since that hurricane rolled through, we still picking up trees and limbs and sawing up stuff. And as you can see right here is another good example. Limbs fell out of a tree. Now that's a big one right there. Just fell out. Cleaned our chicken lot out and got our compost pile going. Our chickens are free ranging out here. They are scratching around looking for grub worms and crickets and spiders and fishing worms and ants and anything else they can find. But this is something they actually enjoy pretty good. I appreciate you joining us today on Deep River Farm. We're going to get back at it, but wanted to show you what we kind of got going on here. Y'all have a blessed day.